This mountain temple is called Bakai. In.Drean.Tri, a bigger mountain dedicated to the main god. Located at roughly 1,300 meters north of Angkor Wat and 400 meters south of the South Gate Angkor Thom. Was built in later 9th century, earlier 10th century and 8900. In reign of King Yasovarman I, a religion Hinduism dedicated to Shiva, art style Bakai, and clearance work by Mr. Henry Marshall, AD 1919-1930, research by Mr. Victor Golubev, AD 1931-1934. After the king Yasovarman I became the king in the year AD 889, he founded his own state capital called Yasovarman, northwest of Rulus Group, and he had built Bakai as his state temple. Bakai is sometimes called the first Angkor. This capital was surrounded by the earth embankments 4 kilometers from each side, enclosed an area of about 16 square kilometers, but today nothing less. The second wall is of the lateral, 440 meters wide by 650 meters long, enclosed the slope of the hill, but today mostly broken. The third wall is of lateral, 100 meters wide by 200 meters long, on the top of the hill. Well, on the hill we'll see the footprint of the Buddha from 16th century. It enclosed in the cement and covered by timber roof. Next on the right of the east entry tower of the third wall, we see the stele from the sometime of the temple. In the courtyard there are two libraries of sandstone opening to the west, and on the wall of this library are identified by a row of a diamond-shaped hole. The temple stood on a square pyramid base, each 76 meters for each side, which had a 5-tier and a total height is 13 meters high each side of the base, and had the steep stairway and seated lion plankets each side of the stairway. There are a 44 brick tower around the base of the temple and 12 stone towers on the edge of the 5 tiers, and there are a 5 tower on the top level. It's 1.6 meters high and by the 13 meters for each side, making a total of the 109 towers and replicas the Mount Meerut. The 12 stone towers on the different levels represented to the 12-year cycle animal zodiac. Excluded the central tower, the number of 108 towers that symbolize the attribute to Buddha 56, Dhamma 38, Sangha 14, Buddha Father 21, Mother 12, Brother 6, Relative 7, and Teacher 10, and other idea that for the 108 pieces of rosary, or the 4 lunar paths, with its 27 days in each path, like crescent, half moon, overshape, and full moon. There are 5 towers on the top level and 4 at the corner, and 1 tower is in the middle, which contains Deva Raja Linga, as called Sri Yasovarman. This tower opening to the 4 directions and was covered by timber roof. An inscription 15 lines is visible on the left-hand side of the north door at that from King Jayavarman V, AD 968 to 101, and also mention about the construction of the King Yasovarman I Inside the main tower, they excavated the hole of 2 meters in depth. They found sarcophagus of the 0.80 meter wide and by 1.4 meter long and 0.70 meter high. Mr. Zhao said the other 4 towers keep the linga too. The female divinity are decorated at the corner of the main tower.